Hello, in front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2. It's a LS02 with a 1.4 inch LCD screen, and in this video I'll be unboxing it. So the price for this smartwatch goes for around $40, and now let's take out the foil and see what's inside that box. So I managed to get the foil out, and on the back we can see some information about this device, and you can read it right now. Now let's open the box, and here to do it, simply slide it open from the top, and that way you won't damage the box itself. And here's a dark cardboard, and inside there should be our smartwatch. So now, in order to open it, and now let's just do it on the side like this. It should open, or not, maybe from the top. Yep. So from the top you can open it like this, and also you won't damage the box. Inside we can find our smartwatch. Let's take it out. It already has a strip, so you can easily mount it on your hand, wrist, like this, or like this. Because here's only imitation, it's not screen powered on, it's just a sticker. So let's put it on the side and see if we have anything else in the box. Here we can find that's just the holder for the smartwatch, and some basic information on how to mount it and how to use it. Also we can find a USB cable and the charger. I guess that's the cable you want to plug to your socket, and then simply charge this smartwatch. Right here it uses magnets to charge it, so that's very nice. Okay, now the rest is right here. There's nothing, that's just the cardboard. Now that we have this smartwatch unpacked, let's see how it works. Here we can enter the strip to our wrist, like this. It sits very well, and your wrist doesn't hurt, but I'm not sure about that yet, because I would need to use it for a long time. Now let's take the foil out. Try powering on this smartwatch, hope it's charged. But I think it's not charged, so I won't be able to show you the settings, and you'll need to check our other video, and there we will tell you how to set up. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.